Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Rashmi here. So today is the last day of the year. Time to reflect and give thanks for all the blessings. And what else more to give thanks? We have made it through 2021. So let me know in the comments below, how do you generally celebrate the last day of the year? For me, I generally attend midnight mass because I like to enter new year giving thanks to the Almighty God. So today I am going to answer one important question in my today's video. And that question I have been asked multiple times by athletes in my one-on-one session and in my sports nutrition workshops. And the question is, does alcohol affect athletic performance? So to know my take on this topic, stay tuned till the end as I am going to share loads of information on this topic. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified about my new uploads. Guys, this will help my channel to grow and reach more athletes like you. Before we get into the effects of alcohol, do you think it is okay for athletes to indulge in alcohol? Well, moderation is the answer. The effects of alcohol on a person depends on the number of drinks and individual tolerance. Some studies claim red wine have protective effects on cardiovascular health. But do you know, few drinks can nullify your hard work by erasing the effects of workout, reducing your endurance and compromising your cognitive ability. So guys, what's the verdict? Well, again, moderation is the answer. And guys, keep track of the number of drinks you have and how you feel during, morning after and in the following days to know your personal tolerance. So now let's understand how alcohol affects athletic performance. Studies suggest that overconsumption of alcohol or binge drinking is detrimental to sports performance because of two reasons. Number one, due to its effects on the body physically during exercise, and number two, its effects on the brain function that will impair your sports performance. So athletes, let me give you a small breakup of all the adverse effects of alcohol on sports performance. Number one, it compromises your immune function. Drinking too much alcohol can weaken your immune system, making you more prone to getting sick. Alcohol can also alter the makeup of gut microbiome. Now, these microbes are very important for many functions in their body, and they also support your immune system. Several studies have shown that alcohol can also damage the immune cells that line your intestine and serve as the first line of defense against bacteria and viruses. So by damaging those cells in the intestine, you make it easier for the pathogens to enter into your bloodstream and make way for cold, flu and other infections. So athletes, moderate consumption of alcohol will not weaken your immune system, but be careful. Number two, alcohol is a diuretic. Alcohol has been shown to slow the process of post-training muscle recovery because it is a powerful diuretic which can cause dehydration and electrolyte imbalance, making you more prone to muscle cramps, strains, muscle pulls and soreness. So a rule of thumb, accompany every glass of beer or wine with a glass of water. This will not only help in reducing your alcohol consumption, but will also help in saving some calories. And one important point, guys, any drink which has more than 3.2 to 4% of alcohol by volume can act as a diuretic and can dehydrate your body. So next in the list is alcohol lowers protein synthesis and muscle recovery. Now athletes, we know how important muscle protein synthesis is for muscle building and recovery. Now, who wants to reduce this process? Nobody, right? But long-term alcohol consumption reduces protein synthesis, resulting in decrease in muscle growth. Even short-term alcohol use can affect muscle and training adaptations. And one important point to note, alcohol decreases the release of muscle building hormone like testosterone, and this can hinder your muscle building and recovery. So an athlete will not be able to perform again as quickly as someone who doesn't drink alcohol. So drinking alcohol post exercise will slow the process of recovery and protein synthesis by interfering with glycogen replenishment, muscle protein synthesis, and restoring fluid balance. So guys, be cautious while having alcohol. At number 4, alcohol depletes your energy. So athletes, once alcohol is absorbed through your stomach and small intestine and moves into your cells, it can disrupt water balance in your body. So an imbalance of water in your muscle cells can hinder their ability to produce enough ATP. Now ATP is adenosine triphosphate, little science here, but ATP is the most important fuel for all the cells including your muscle cells. So a reduction in your body's ATP can result in lack of energy and loss of endurance. Next in the list is alcohol lowers your cognitive function and slows your reaction time up to 48 hours. So athletes, even small amount of alcohol can result in slowed reaction time and decreased hand-eye coordination. This will not only impair your athletic performance, but slow reaction time also increases your risk for injury. And that's my next impact of alcohol, and that is alcohol increases the risk of injury and delays your healing. So at times what happens is when athletes are injured, they try to numb their pain by consuming alcohol. Unfortunately, this causes more harm than good because of certain reasons. Number 1, it slows your recovery time. Then it negatively affects sleep, and number 3, it worsens depression. Yes, alcohol is a depressant and makes symptoms of depression worse. It also makes antidepressants less effective. So an athlete needs positive mindset and a healthy diet to speed up recovery. Now guys, I have detailed videos on recovery, then injury management, and couple of more videos. All the links are given on top and in the description box below. So moving on to the next impact, alcohol inhibits your body's ability to absorb vitamins and minerals. Alcohol reduces the absorption of vitamin B1, B12, folate and zinc. All these vitamins and minerals are very important for optimal performance, and athletes, make sure to check out my playlist on sports nutrition in order to understand more about how these vitamins and minerals are important for your athletic performance. And the last impact of alcohol is that it affects your endurance. So a study done on 13 male trained cyclists found that even a small amount of alcohol reduced their endurance. So alcohol is absorbed by our body as ethanol, and it has several impacts on our metabolic function. Number 1, it inhibits gluconeogenesis, which is a process of producing sugars for energy. And number 2, it speeds up your heart rate, and all these factors contribute to reduced endurance. So athletes, these were some of the effects of alcohol on athletic performance. Choice is in your hands. So if you're physically active or an athlete, it's important to consider all the points I have mentioned today. And if you choose to drink, then remember, moderation is the key, because anything in excess will bring down your game. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and wish you all a very, very happy and a prosperous new year. I will see you in 2022.